guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kritika, and if you are new to my channel, just hit that red button of subscribe and make it great, and hit the bell button to notification every time I post my new video. So starting my face with preparing with moisturizer or any cream you have. This is my Biotique favorite moisturizer and I love this. I used to hydrate my skin as I am from dry skin family, and I'm using serum from Mama Earth a little to get the glow back. It's so glowy. I love this. Now it's absorbed. As you can see, I have a dark circle. I'll just concentrate on my problematic area. If you have acne, you should focus on that. As of now, I'm just having a dark circle and some of the acne scars left over on my face. As you can see, around my lip and around my brow also. I'll just using a dot for them and just blending out it even, so it won't pop out and my skin look even. You can use your BB cream, CC cream, whatever you can use, but it should be match your skin tone. Now setting it with little of powder. Now I'm using a little lip liner to give a finished look to my lips, as using the nude color that won't pop out. Now I'm using little pinkish color and dab it into my lips to get colored, and using little mascara to get a flaky or vermalized lashes. Using that lipstick also on my cheeks as a creamy blush, and it will give a super cute look, and it is so natural looking. And yeah, it's done. This video, do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye. So yeah.